A full batch of parrots arrives like special guests. Some sit on the top branches. Some hang upside down. Some fly from one branch to another. And a few naughty parrots immediately start eating the guava fruits. What a beautiful sight it is. Their green feathers match perfectly with the green leaves of the guava tree. Sometimes it becomes difficult to even identify where the bird is sitting. One parrot takes a small bite. Another throws pieces down. One keeps watching carefully while others eat fearlessly. The entire tree becomes alive with movement and sound. Many people think birds making noise is disturbing. But for me, this sound feels like nature's music. Nowadays many people wake up and immediately look at mobile phones or television. But these parrots remind us real happiness can also come from simple natural moments. Just standing near the tree and watching them gives peace to the mind. Sometimes, I sit quietly and observe them for many minutes. Their teamwork is amazing. One parrot acts almost like a security guard. If any danger comes nearby, immediately all parrots fly away together in 1 second. Their unity and alertness teaches us many lessons. And the most interesting thing is, these parrots know exactly which guava is sweet. They never choose raw fruits. Directly they go for the ripest guavas. After they finish eating, small pieces of fruit fall on the ground. Even squirrels and tiny birds come later to enjoy those leftovers. So one guava tree becomes food for many living creatures. Nature wastes nothing. Seeing this every day gives me a special happiness, especially as a senior citizen. At this age, small peaceful experiences become very valuable. No ticket needed. No television needed. No big entertainment needed. Just one guava tree. Fresh air. Colorful parrots. And a calm heart. Many people grow plants only for decoration. But when birds start visiting your plants and trees, the home feels truly alive. I feel lucky that these parrots have chosen my tree as their daily restaurant. Because nowadays in cities, seeing parrots closely is becoming rare. So friends, if you have space near your home, try to grow fruit trees. Not only for fruits, but also to invite nature closer to your life. A single tree can bring birds, peace, happiness, and beautiful memories. Every morning, my guava tree teaches me one simple lesson. Nature gives joy freely, if we slow down and observe it. Even squirrels and tiny birds come later to enjoy those leftovers. So one guava tree becomes food for many living creatures. Nature wastes nothing. Seeing this every day gives me a special happiness, especially as a senior citizen. At this age, small peaceful experiences become very valuable. No ticket needed. No television needed. No big entertainment needed. Just one guava tree. Fresh air.